Do you need a nail mentor? Do you not need one? What is a nail mentor? How do you find it? All that stuff. We're going to talk about it right now on the Biz Talk. I'm
waiting
so happy.
for it. I'm so waiting for it.
I'm so happy that I could be your mentor, Tracey.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
I believe Greg claimed that about 30 minutes ago. It's amazing
Did he?
how many
Did he
mentors.
really?
I think actually he said Tracey needs a mentor.
Oh, Tracey. That's right. We're talking about the topic, and he said Tracey needs a mentor. I think he was referring to himself, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, well, if he's my mentor, he's
Bad.
Really, he'd be
Bad.
horrible.
Bad for you. Bad for him. Bad for both you guys. You guys are not a good match. Mentor, mentee. It's not a good combination. That's why I'm here, and I'll take care of everybody. So don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about a thing. Every little thing. Okay, we're going to stop. Do you need a nail mentor? Do you need a nail mentor? Tracey, I just want to get your overall thoughts on this. Nail mentors in general, do people need them? What's your take?
I think yes. But I think there's different levels of that too.
Okay.
Doesn't mean you have to exactly have Habib is my mentor and I go to him.
You're welcome.
And he's teaching me personally one-on-one and I'm paying him for it. And
Yes. You're welcome. No.
what I mean? There's different levels.
It totally. I know exactly what you're saying. It's not like it has to be this. Like you're around the person 24/7, and
I'm calling Habib and can you be my mentor?
Yeah. Right. Exactly. But you can't.
Can you mentor me in failing?
Success.
So yes, I think it's very important to have someone or someone's that you are looking for guidance, whether that's via YouTube and this person you really
respect.
They respect and they have the business side and I follow this person and I'm using them as a mentor in my business. This person, I like how they do nails and I'm going and I'm watching their educational and I'm using that as a mentor. And then it also could be physically, Habib's in my salon and he's really, really helping me and guiding me in what I can do. But not everybody has that option.
Yeah.
So that's why you have to have this other options of online.
Yeah, totally. First of all, I like that you broke that down because I think people might have this idea in their head that I need to seek somebody. I need to be able to talk to them weekly. I need them to look at my work, regularly. And I mean, obviously, if you have somebody that's local, that you have the benefit of having them see your work on a regular basis and you can communicate with them regularly, that's amazing.
Awesome.
I mean, that would be great, but you don't actually need that. Like you having some type of guidance. I can't talk. I just can't talk today.
Yay.
What?
Yay.
I'm having problems. Having some type of guidance, right, I think is the overall goal. So, for example, if somebody's in a remote area and they don't have that, access to somebody in a salon or, like you said, online.
Yeah.
Right? So what does that look like? Well, maybe it looks like I watch Tracey do nails, I watch Greg do nails, and I'm going to listen to what they say. And like, I love watching Tracey's videos, when she does like the how much or the real times. Tracey says to do 3 to 5 minutes prep. Okay, let me work on that. What does she do? Let me watch. Like that's
a form of being mentored.
A form of being a mentor. Like you don't know that you're being a mentor to somebody, but it doesn't matter.
No.
Right?
You're using it to benefit your progress.
Exactly. And I think that is the absolute key. I think most people, I would say the majority of people, when they're on whatever journey it is, whether it's business, nails, art, there's always someone that they look up to or respect, right? Like you're influenced by them.
Yep.
And so that to me is like kind of a mentor type of deal.
Yeah, and we're very fortunate because we live in the time and age where easy access
Yeah.
to finding people. It used to be hard
Yeah.
to find someone. Okay, I have this nail person that I really look to. I got to try to schedule a class with them, but they don't do classes. I saw them at a trade show. I got to, go to the trade show and
Right.
watch them, and I get to watch them just once. Like now it's 2 clicks and
2 clicks.
you could have all these people that are
Yeah.
as mentors.
And I think something that is this has always been really interesting to me, Tracy, is people with the internet and with social media, there's an opportunity for everybody to have mentors, like
Yeah.
you said, multiple mentors, right?
Yep.
I think the one thing that people believe or need is I need this person to tell me, like, where I'm on the phone with them and I'm connecting with them, and for them to tell me that when I pick up my pearl, if I'm building around the cuticle, not to immediately go, but to just wait 5 seconds before I lay the pearl down. It's in hundreds of our videos,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you have to just have that confidence of like, okay, it would be nice to actually have that conversation with Tracy, but she's telling me through the video. I can get the information there. And I mean, when we were building our business for when we're trying to navigate through this whole social media thing, 5 years ago, before I met Gary,
Yeah.
and before I connected with VaynerMedia, I listened to his content for a year, and I was like, this guy's talking to me, and so he was like a mentor, right?
Did you believe he was talking directly
I
to
did.
you?
I was like, he's talking to me.
Only me.
He knows I'm out there, man. Getting all creepy. It's me. I know Gary. But like I'd listen to most of that content while I'm driving.
Yep.
And I would hear it and just go like, yes. Oh my God. Yeah. And then
I'm going to put it into action.
I'm going to put it into action. Now, I mean, obviously when we connected directly with them, it accelerated things, but in the beginning phase, we were still doing pretty damn well and having a lot of success on our own.
Right. And the success was the feedback.
Content. The feedback, correct.
And that's what we can do with this. If you don't have the one-on-one with
Correct.
someone, the feedback is your clientele, your family, you're looking at your own work. Use the education to get you there, and then use other people as the feedback.
Correct. You have to, you just have to be able to the information is coming one way. Like if you're watching video, for example,
Yeah.
right? The information is coming one way. You're not having a back and forth. It's a one-way street, but let me utilize that info from what Tracy or Greg is saying online. Let me try it. And then comparing.
Yeah.
So let me look at what they're doing. Is it the same? You know what I mean? You can use that information.
Dude, I just thought about this too. I mean, our Facebook community, our Discord,
Huge.
They are sharing their work and they are giving each other feedback. That's a huge mentorship right there.
It is.
It's a community mentorship.
It's a community mentorship.
Yeah.
I would almost argue that community support is going to be, it's so powerful.
Yeah.
It is so powerful. I mean, if you actually bond and get in there and make a connection, you can actually develop some relationships in the nail community and
get
people are gonna
real
help.
feedback.
Get real feedback. People that will actually hey, great job. Try working on this a little more. Or your sidewalls, if you want to get them straighter, here's a couple videos that will help to improve. I mean, such a great way to get really good feedback. So I guess the question of do you need a nail mentor? I would say I would agree with you. You said yes, 100% yes, but not in the traditional way of we're gonna get on a phone call once a week and we're gonna sit down and you know what I mean? People, you're gonna zha it up. People are, especially today, very busy, but because of social media, you can have multiple mentors.
And it's free.
And it's free.
Yeah.
Free. F-A-R-E-E, Trace.
That's even better than free.
It's even better than free. Free. You do not have to pay. and you can get the information as at your own time, your own convenience. I think that's huge. It's going to make you a better nail tech. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on mentorship. We'd love to hear about it. Any ideas for future episodes, comments, please. Tracey, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. We will see you next time on the Biz Talk.